Welcome back to the lake. We're here with the mini hydro, the green one, just the fully stock one. I'm gonna do a few laps, get rid of these birds, and then we'll throw the red one in the water and we'll try to hit the 53 miles per hour mark. I tell you, this green one is my most enjoyable boat lately. I'm just barely feathering the throttle. Yeah, she runs good. CG's a little off. You got to be very tight on the CG with these small boats. That battery is cooked. All right, okay. Let's do what we actually came here for, guys. Let's do what we came here for. Let's get the red one out. Let's throw the GPS inside of her. And let's see if we can't break 53 today. You guys, we just popped her out of the water. I wanted to show you guys the temps. 104, 102 on the motor. 86 on the ESC. 85 on the connections. You could definitely prop up from the stock setup to at least a 32 millimeter prop. All right, we'll get the red one all taped up and ready to go. GPS inside, and then start tracking. Finally. All right. We'll take it easy a little bit. Try not to flip her right away, and let's see how she runs. Trying to break 53, running that 30 millimeter Octura 3-blade. Every time I get off the throttle, guys, look at this fucking thing. There's dead fish everywhere here. There's a dead fish right there. There's a dead fish right there. There's a dead fish right there. There's another one right there. There's another one right there. If the fucking catfish are dying, you know this water's fucking filth. Wow. Fucking dead catfish. That, my friends, is the motherfucking sewer lake. This red one fucking flies, boys. It's like half throttle. You got to stay on the throttle in the turns just a little bit. And there's my battery. Tell you, I love this little red hydro. Read. Oh, 48. Yeah, close enough. Getting there. We'll try it again. Get back home. Got to prep for a football game. I got playoffs tomorrow, so hopefully we'll win the championship. I'm coaching 3 teams, by the way. Anyways, Rob, thank you for wishing me luck. I appreciate it. Thanks for calling me the other day. Really appreciate that. Anyways, everybody, we'll see each other back at the garage. Enjoy my